We are at Los Sanchos in Cozumel. It is all-inclusive beach day on our first excursion here in Cozumel. You know, it's great. We got a taxi straight out of the cruise port, and they actually sit here and wait for us all day. So as long as we're here, which is pretty cool for one set fee, which is takes a lot of stress out of things. So let's have a good time. Alright, so one good thing about it is there's actually a reserved table for you. If you get here early enough, you can actually get one of the cabanas, but it's kind of far from the beach. With the kids, it's probably just easier to stay right here and go from there.
It's super cold.
It is super cold.
What is that?
That is like water sports. So this is where you first enter. There's the bathrooms, here are lockers, there's like a little restaurant sitting area you guys could sit at if you wanted to. If you go a little further, here's the main pool area where we spent most of our time. It does have a swim up bar, so if you guys wanted to participate in your adult activities while hitting the pool, you definitely can. If you take a little further, this is just behind that little restaurant area. There's little shops, not too many, and no one really hassles you to buy anything. It's just kind of there. If you guys keep coming down, you get your hair braided, you could buy bracelets. There is also a second pool area with its own swim-up bar, which we're coming up to right now. There's cabanas all over the place. Now you can guarantee a cabana for two. I think it's like $2.99. I'll check the price, it'll pop up on the screen if I'm wrong. This pool area is actually really empty because the beach itself is empty. But if you go a little further, we're now hanging out in the spa area where you get your massages. More cabanas down there as well. You could rent jet skis. You could also kayak, as well as parasail. All right, so we're going to do a little tequila tasting. We'll see how this all goes.
And we say arriba,
arriba,
abajo,
abajo,
al centro,
al centro,
adentro,
adentro.
Salud.
Salud. Our day at Cozumel is coming to an end. It's been fun. The kids had a good time. We have sand in our shoes. Not too happy about that, but it's now time to hop back in the boat, take a little nap, drink a little tequila, and have a good old day. Until next time, have a good one, people.